Hi students, this is Jyoti Miss, your computer teacher. Children, in last two classes, we learned about the fourth unit, that is the keyboard. In these two classes, I explained this fourth lesson, what is the keyboard and what are some keys present on this keyboard, about escape key, tab key, that all we learned, children. Today I am going to explain the answer time. All of you open your computer textbooks and see page number 35. Children, here if you see answer time, first section 1, there is a multiple choice question and answers are there. Tick the correct answer. Okay. See here, first one, how many arrow keys are there on the keyboard? How many arrow keys are there? There are 4 arrow keys, children. So this is the answer. Second one, this key helps you to erase mistakes. Backspace key. Next, this key is present at the upper left corner of the numeric keypad. That is numslock key. Numslock key. Next, this key is used along with other keys. Shift key. Next, this key is present on the left side of the keyboard. Tab key. Okay, children. This is about the fill in the multiple choice option questions. Tick the correct option. Next, see children, write names and uses of these keys. Here some keys are given. Delete key, shift key, caps lock key, backspace key, arrow key, and escape key, up arrow key. This is right arrow key and up arrow key. So about these keys you have to write the explanation. These all I wrote, children. This picture I will send you in assignment group. From that you collect and write these options in your textbooks. Okay, these points you write in your textbooks. I will send this picture in assignment group in school app, children. Okay, next, write true or false. See, arrow keys are also called cursor control keys. True. Okay, next, the backspace key erases character to the left of the cursor. True. Caps lock key is pressed when you want to type letters in capitals. True. There is only one shift key on a keyboard. False, children. There are 2 shift keys. No. Escape key is present on the upper left corner of the keyboard. Means true. Okay, children. This is about the true or false, children. And this question and answers I will send in notes, children. Okay. Next week I will send notes for hard words, fill in the blanks, and question and answer. That all I will send in next class notes in assignments group. Okay. Then you collect that notes and write in CW. Okay. Next, hearts. Who was the inventor of QWERTY keyboard? That is Christopher Latham Scholes in 1978. See children, who is the founder? Christopher Latham Scholes. Okay, in 1978 he found the now we are using no keyboard. That keyboard was found by this person. This person found that keyboard, invented that keyboard. Okay. Next, here one activity time is there. See children, look at a keyboard and write which keys you will press to get following signs in the following signs on the screen. This is exponent. For that, shift plus 6 we have to press. At the rate, this is shift plus 2 and shift plus 7, dollar shift plus 4. Okay, children. And next, see here, find out the names of 7 keys in the given word stretch grid. Here one grid is given. Here so many words are there. See page number 38. So in this some keys are there. 7 keys are there. We have to find out that keys. See the first key, this one. See children, ARROW, arrow key. Okay. See here second key, here SHIFT, shift key. Third key is here, you see children, NUMLOCK, nums lock key. Okay. Next you see, this is third key. Fourth key you see, CAPSLOCK, caps lock key. Okay, this is fourth key. And this is fifth key, BACKSPACE, backspace key. Okay children. Next, this is sixth key. See, DELETE, delete key. Okay, and the last one, seventh key, TAB, tab key. Okay children, this is about this words grid children. Okay, you write this one also in your textbook. And this is practical, we will see later children. And who are having textbook, those you can type the following on computer screen asking your teacher's help. If you are having computer, you open computer and open a Microsoft Word with your parents' help and type these words if you are having computer at your home children. Okay. Next, this is about the explanation children. And this one is there now, section B. This about these keys, I will send in assignment group this photo. And here also I didn't say this equal to sign, what is this key. This also I will write and I will send this photo also children. Okay. Now I am closing this class. We will meet in next class children. Till then, take care. Bye bye.